Los Angeles altimeter 29990, so to answer Bravo Airspace as requested, squawk 0235. American 1721, turn left at Zulu, cross runway 24 left, contact ground point 65. Delta 9935. Sherwin 953, LA Tower, caution wait turbulence, runway 24 left, line up and wait, traffic will cross downfield. Line up wait 24, left, Spirit wings 953.
Tango taxi to the gate, 340, thank you.
Bravo short of Tango. Block it. That was 5644, Bravo short of Tango. Bravo short of Tango, Scott, 5644. American 2460, LA ground right, Bravo short of Papa. Southwest 1209, continue Bravo, hold short at Charlie 5. Bravo short of Charlie, South 12 677, monitor the tower. American 2460, LA ground right, Bravo short of Papa. American 2460, LA ground, Bravo short of Papa. Delta 6049, you're at what gate? 5757. Okay, Delta 6049, push, approve, tail west, pull forward, facing east. Alright, tail west, pull forward to where now? Just push tail west, pull forward, facing east on Taxiway Charlie. LA Tower, over to 922 with your visual informant. Traffic now.
928 Los Angeles Tower, thanks for that. You're pursued by the Super on short final, caution light turbulence, wind 26 12, runway 24 right, clear to land.
Clear to land, 24 right behind the Super, he's also inside right with 928.
Uniform leaving Bravo Airspace, radar services are terminated. Remain on your code and contact Santa Monica now. Have a good day. Southwest 1685 Los Angeles Tower, pursued by an Airbus 4 mile final, wind 24010, runway 24 right, clear to land.
Clear to land, 24 right, South 65.
PD3, roger, and did you want to attach to Hawthorne? PD3, thanks, remain on the code. You can switch over to Hawthorne now. Possible traffic insurance at 2 o'clock, probably on the downwind for Hawthorne. Altitude indicates 900 feet. Southwest 1375, runway 2 foot up, line up and wait.
Wait, 10 4 left, 1335. Tower Southwest 44-3, just outside of Jet's Head, about 12 miles for 24 right.
Southwest 44-3, Los Angeles, afternoon, preceded by company, 4 mile final, wind 24010, runway 24 right, clear to land.
Turn land 24 right, Southwest 44-3.
Los Angeles helicopter, thanks. Maintain visual separation from that traffic cleared into Bravo Airspace as requested. The altimeter is 3002. Southwest 1034, waiting for 1 off Santa Monica, runway 2 foot up, line up and wait.
10 4 left, line up, Southwest 1034. Delta 457 Super Delta 8, give way to Virgin America. Give way to the Virgin on Delta 817, 457. Wind 488, runway 24 left, taxi at Delta 8 Echo. Delta 8 Echo, what's up, where it is? And Alaska 441, check by 1. 441, Los Angeles ground, runway 24 left, taxi at Echo, hold short of Delta 10.
50, 90, suspect at 50, 82, minimum delay, cross runway 24 left, left on Echo, ground point 65, have a good day.
No delay, cross 24 left, left on Echo, Scott 50, 982.
Redwood 488, contact departures, have a good flight.
Have a nice one, Redwood 48.
American 590, Los Angeles Tower, taxi for length. Runway 24 left, clear for takeoff, or now doorway.
Clear for takeoff, 24 left, doorway to 7457.
Takeoff 77 Whiskey Lima, hold short, runway 24 left.
Short of 24 left for 77 Whiskey Lima. Stop on the other side, clear across 24 left for Whiskey Lima, take care. FedEx 749 Heavy LA Tower, wind 250 at 11, wind 25 left, center line. November 822 off LA Tower at Gulf, cross runway 25 left, and then turn right on Hotel. Cross 25 left. Jet 507 on tower, keep it tight, at Gulf, cross runway 25 left, then turn right on Hotel. Takeoff 25 right, 25 left at Gulf, right turn at Hotel, it's just 55 left. And Tower, number 6742, you want to stay on the uniform for Papa? Number 6743, your gate's occupied, so stay on Hotel all the way down to and hold short of uniform. Okay, just Riley, thanks. Southwest 501, hold short of runway 25 right at Papa. Thanks, sir. 39 LA Tower, check transponder out. Cross room 22 Alpha, hold short of runway 25 right at Gulf. Hold short 25 right Gulf, 22. Back jet 507, hold short of runway 25 right at Gulf. Creator 8242, heavy contact, still got a departure, good day. On the departure, coordinate 282, book of the day. Lake Sarah 39, caution Lake turbulence from 25 right at Julia, short line up wait. 25 right at Julia, line up and wait, Lake Sarah, first time. Lake Sarah 39, wind 250
7 heavy on San Jose Tower, taxi to link. Hawaiian 10 heavy, Alpha Alpha sign, Spirit will be moving here in just a moment.
Roger, Alpha Alpha Hawaiian 7. Spirit 478, approximate 2 for us, as your cross is at the ground point 65, have a good day. Hawaiian 10 heavy, approximate 2 for us. That's the bullet point, I believe. Helicopter LA altimeter 29901. I-10, cleared through Robert Airspace via the meeting room. LA Tower, King Air 72 November Golf, turning to join 24 right.
King Air 72 November Golf, Los Angeles Tower, pursued by Airbus 2 mile final, caution wake turbulence, super traffic departing the parallel. Wind 2109er, runway 24 right, clear to land.
Runway 24 right and copy the traffic on final CM2 November Golf.
Southwest 322, cancel takeoff left, hold up position. Being Southwest 1936, approximate 2 for us, as your cross center ground point 65, have a good day. Southwest 4793. Turn there, can you get out of the way or not?
Yeah, I don't think it is. 4793.
Okay, when you pass this up to hold short runway 2 for left, you'll follow company out.
Alright, hold short of 24 left and echo 77, 4793. Okay, 4 battery at 1013. clear land. Clear to land, clear on ASO, one way, split to four way.
What the heck?
Like in the same shot. It's very rare. Very rare.
LA altimeter 3001. And the call sign one more time, sir? Police 3, thank you. National 3902, standing good, contact on 1, go down, 1602, Navy contact, so get a bunch of. Skywatch 5357, show me to pull up, contact on 165.
Cross 24 left, ground 0.65, go 5357.
American 2281, turn right and begin. Right turn 46 Alpha. American 2281, thanks, 46 days open. Taxi hotel to Papa, cross runway 25 right, contact ground 175. Hotel Papa, hotel 25 right, 175 on the. Okay, 526, any contact with the budget. 95, RNAV Delray. I'll point out a Delta Ember departing South Complex. That'll be staying on your left side. Once you get over one, runway 24 left, 124 clear for takeoff. Clear takeoff to the left, thanks for all the information. We'll lift on off the left. Redwood, 995. runway 24 right, clear to land. Clear to land, 24 right, B1. Southwest 3554, RNAV Del right, wind 240 at 1, right, runway 24 left, clear for takeoff. RNAV Del right, 24 left, clear for takeoff, Southwest 3554. Present Air 2476, LA Tower, runway 24 left, line up and wait, report departing southwest in sight, Bill B over Gorman. Runway 24 left, southwest in sight, Present Air 2476. Compass 5691, LA Tower. You have numbers to depart Echo 7.
Turkey 060, Uniform Los Angeles, helicopter 33 Bomber Airspace, mini route southbound 2500, altimeter 3002. Southwest 322, Taxiway turbulence, runway 200, line up and wait, traffic crossing downfield, RNAV 2 Del Rey.
Line up and wait, so runway 24 left, southwest 322. Lufthansa 457 Super, RNAV Del Rey, wind 250 at 15, runway 24 left, cleared for takeoff, disregard crossing traffic. Lufthansa 457 Super, RNAV Del Rey, clear for takeoff, runway 24 left, roger. 925, safe position. American 1720, final 24 right. 925, thank you. American 1721, LAX, wind 250 at 15, runway 24 left. Short on runway 24 left. Hold short 24 left, Scott, 5139. Compass 6042, cautioning wake turbulence, RNAV Del Rey, wind 240 at 16, runway 24 left, clear for takeoff. RNAV Del Rey, clear for takeoff, 24 left, compass 6042. Tower City out 89, holding short of 24 left at Echo 6 for inspection. Ops 89, LA Tower from Echo 6, proceed on to runway 24 left. From Echo 6, proceed on 24 left, City out 89. Los Angeles Tower, red with 475, visual 24 right, hello. Runway 475, LA Tower, wind 240 at 15, runway 24 right, clear to land.
757, outbound runway 2014, runway 24 right for the land. Runway 24 right, check entry 425. RNAV down runway 2015, runway 24 left, clear for takeoff. RNAV Delaware 24 left, clear for takeoff, Delta 1795. Alaska 479, runway 24 left, clear RNAV wave. Delta 2928. Alaska 479, contact SoCal departure. 479, see ya. Good afternoon, American 2223, just outside this. American 2223, military up on Airbus on the 4 mile final at 2014, caution returns, have a departure call on runway 24 right for the land. Alright, behind the left, clear to land 24 right, American 2223. 28621 heavy, 12014, RNAV down right, runway 24 left, clear for takeoff. Delta code 24, this is 1. Over on the other side today at T57. Sun Country 425, hold short of runway 24 left. Right, hold short of 24 left, so you're going to need 425. Right, then turn left on hotel, take a number. Hold on to D48, 48 Bravo. Tower South 500, visual 25 left. So 2592 RNAV Hyper, wind 240 at 13, runway 25 left, clear for takeoff. RNAV Hyper, clear for takeoff 25 left, Delta 2592. American 9620 at Mike, taxi across runway 25 right. As you cross, contact ground 275. At Mike, cross 25 right, American 9620. South 500 LA Tower, heavy 77 short final, wind 240 at 14, caution wake turbulence from a 25 left for land. Heavy, LA, winds 22010, RNAV Delray, runway 24 left, clear for takeoff. Delray, clear takeoff to 4 left, now 46069. Delta 923, caution way turbulence, travel across, runway 24 left, line open, wait. 1.24 left, Delta 923. American 695, high left, 24 right. American 695, Los Angeles on number 3, following at 7573 mile final, wind 22010, runway 24 right, clear to land. There's land on 24 right, American 695.
Squawk VFNR, quick change for a good day.
Cosmic 185 is outside of Denver.
Spearway 185, Los Angeles, South Holland, Camp, 83 miles ahead, 24 right car, good land.
Good land, flight 3485.
Cross 24 left, tank on takeoff, +65. Cross 24 left over the ground, thanks, no delay, 5750. Spirit 955, 24 right. Spearway 955, Los Angeles, 777, short final caution, way 2 below, runway 24 right, clear to land. Clear land, 24 right, Spirit 955. TV 34, squawk VFNR, quick change for 5 Tango Papa, leaving Bravo, quick change for 538, LA Terra, hold short, runway 25 left, please. Hold short, 25 left, first 25 left. Anybody else check down final?
Alright, 2475, there's a 25 left.
Right there, 2425, LA Terra, final to 757 from Mount Final, partially turbo. With 240 Niner, runway 25 left, clear line.
Good, 25 left, try is 25.
67 Los Angeles, now Superb, short final caution, right turbulence, wind 23015, runway 24 right, clear to land. Forever long, accept. Runway 24 left, clear for takeoff. Left turn 210, clear for takeoff, 24 left, compass 5728. Lufthansa 451, heavy LA, runway 24 left, 9 up runway. Skywest 5704, LA tower, runway 25 right, short to Juliet, line up and wait. 25 right, short to Juliet, line up and wait, Skywest 5704. Speedy bird 269, super, hold short 24 left, remain on this break. Hold short 24 left, stay with you, Speedbird 269. Tower, compass 6026, visual 248. Compass 5728, contact SoCal, departure so long. Go on departure so long, compass 5728. Good way to start that turn now. Compass 6026, LA Tower, caution, wait here, super Airbus just landed. Heavy 747, departing parallel runway. Winds 24010, runway 24 right, clear to land. Keep right, clear leg. Please stop with brake, cancel the restriction. Police 3, squawk VFNR, talk to you later though. LA Tower, Delta 1218, 24 right inbound. Speedy bird 269, super, cross runway 24 left, on left on Echo, can take off 165. Cross 24 left, and then left on Echo, 0.65, 269. Lufthansa 451 heavy, contact SoCal departure. I'll be the same. I'll be the same.